Hello everybody, welcome to Oak Hollow's Empty Garage. So, today is, or will be, the start of a new chapter in the evolution of this channel. I sold the Mach 1 Mustang, so for those of you who subscribed because of that, I apologize. I hope you stick around though, because the next thing is going to be, I hope, even cooler. Even though the garage is completely empty, I still have the Datsun. I've still got the Harley, a couple other vehicles. Mostly the Datsun is what many of you care about. But what I decided was I'm going to build a Factory 5 Racing Type 65 Daytona Coupe kit car. So I needed garage space, and I figured a little bit of cash wouldn't hurt. So I'm going to order the kit this afternoon because the Mustang rolled out of the garage today. I think, what is today? It's a Sunday, July, I don't know, 25th-ish, 6th, somewhere in that range. So Mustang rolled out of the garage. I'm going to put a down payment and order the kit car. I have no idea what their backlog is. I'm going to tell them I want it ASAP, so hopefully within a few months, maybe. Of course, they might have a 6 or 8 month backlog. I don't really know. We'll find out when I order it. So I hope those of you who came for the Mustang stick around for the Daytona Coupe. It's still Ford-ish. I mean, you know, it's a Shelby. Although it's not technically a Shelby because it's Factory 5 and they're not licensed to be a Shelby. They're licensed to say it's a Daytona Type 65 Coupe. I'm going to put a Blueprint Engines 347 cubic inch carbureted V8. It's based on the 302 or the 351 Windsor, the 302 block. So it's a 347. It's going to put out a little bit over 400 horsepower, 400 foot-pounds of torque. And on a car that weighs about 2,500 pounds, that should be plenty of go. So I hope you guys stick around for the future build. And thanks for tuning in. I think maybe I might cut in the order process. I might not. Either way, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh, by the way, I will probably give you updates as they come. And of course, any repairs I have to do on any of the other cars, I'll probably film that stuff as well. So stick around, guys. We'll see you around. Thanks. One other thing, you may notice that the garage floor over there is a little bit damp, and over here it's not. I sold my soul, and the folks at Super Clean decided to give me a few cleaning products if I throw them a mention here and there. So there's the mention. We'll see how well that stuff does. It's a degreaser, heavy-duty degreaser, although these floors have been greasy for a while. So we'll see if it makes any difference.